Hello everybody, welcome to judycentral.com. So today I will be discussing with you the much awaited and the most wanted previous year question paper of DULLM entrance exam, which was held in the year 2020. So last year I have shared one video which was based on memory based questions, but today I will be discussing with you the entire question paper of DULM which has been conducted in the year of 2020. There are total number of 100 questions. So before starting this session, I would request all of you to kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. See, we are receiving very less number of subscribers, and if we stop receiving subscribers from your end, then we may have to stop this video, because this video is for all of your advantage. So guys, this is a request, kindly share this video to the maximum number of people. So without wasting any time, let us start with our first question. And also let me tell you that we have brought a 15 days challenge for you, where I will be discussing the past previous year question paper of DULLM more than 10 years. So if you want to get the updates of all such videos, then you have to subscribe to the channel, because it is mandatory for you now to get prepared well. So let us start with our first question. Question number 1. Match list 1 with list 2. So we have to match the list 1 with the list 2. So let us see the correct option. This is A4, B2, C3 and D1. So let us match. So A4, this is NG Dastane versus S Dastane. This case is relating to cruelty as a ground for divorce. Then B, court on its own motion, Lajja Devi versus state. This is a case related to option number D2, Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 will prevail over personal law. C, Saroj Rani versus Sudarshan Kumar. So this case is related to option number 3, section 231A. Is not a bar to file a petition under section 131A. D, Bipin Chandra versus Prabhavati. So this case is related to option number 1, desertion as a ground for divorce. Question number 2. Which of the following statements are correct? So in this question, the correct option is option number A and D are correct. Option number 4. So doesn't permit Hindu Marriage Act at 1955 doesn't permit bigamy, and D doesn't permit marriage within prohibited relationship. Question number 3. Given below are two statements, so you have to choose which of the following statement is correct. Then the correct statement is statement 1 is correct, incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Let us read statement 1. Two Hindus married under the Special Marriage Act governed by the Indian Succession Act 1925 in matters of inheritance. This is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct. Two Muslim married under the Special Marriage Act 1954 are governed by the Indian Succession Act 1925 in matters of inheritance. Question number 4. Which of the following statements are incorrect regarding the Special Marriage Act 1954? The correct option is here. All of the above are correct. Let us read. A marriage shall be null and void if one of the parties to the marriage is important at the time of marriage and at the time of institution of suit. B, one of the conditions for marrying under the Special Marriage Act 1954 is that the male must have completed the age of 21 years and the female the age of 18 years. C, any marriage celebrated in other forms may be registered under the Special Marriage Act 1954, and both the parties must have completed the age of 21 years at the time of marriage. And then D, a divorce petition may be filed if the respondent is undergoing a sentence of imprisonment for 7 years or more, or for an offence under IPC. Then question number 5. In case of judicial separation, the correct option is B, C and D only. Let us read. The marital obligations and rights are suspended. C, the husband has to pay maintenance to the wife. D, they can reunite after getting the order rescinded. Question number 6. Which among the following may be an absolute property of a female Hindu under the Hindu Succession Act 1956? Again, all of this. Property acquired by female Hindu in lieu of partition. Property acquired by a female Hindu in lieu of maintenance. property acquired by a female Hindu for arrears of maintenance. All of these are correct. Option number 4. Match list 1 with list 2. So let us match. The correct option is A3, B1, C4, D3. A3. Children of the same father but by different mothers, they are known as consanguine. Children of the same mother but by different fathers, so they are known as uterine. A related to the propositors through one or more female links. Then this is C4, cognate, and person related to the propositors through male links, and they are known as, the correct option is 2, agnate. Question number 8. Again match list 1 with list 2. So the correct option is A3, B4, C1, D2. Let us read. A. Right to adopt a child is inherent in the right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. 3. This is held in Phillips Alfred Melvin versus Y.J. Gonzalez. Then B. The right to adopt a child under the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 would prevail over all other personal laws. However, the present is not an appropriate time where the right to adopt and to be adopted can be raised to the status of a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. This is 4. Shabnam Hashmi versus Union of India. C. Innocent second wife who is unaware of the first marriage of the husband is entitled to maintenance under Section 125 CRPC. This is option number 1. Badshah versus Urmila Badshah. And last one, wife for the maintenance of Section 125 CRPC means only legally wedded wife. So this has been held in the case of Savita Ben Soma Bhai Bhatia versus State of Gujarat. Choose the correct answer from the following options. We have already chosen, and let us move to question number 9. Bigamy under Hindu Marriage Act 1955 includes both 1 and 2. Polygamy having more than one wife, polyandry having more than one husband. 10. Which of the following states hold true regarding the Hindu Succession Act 2005? The correct option is option number 4, 1 and 2 only. Daughters can now act as a karta of a joint Hindu family, and 2. Daughters cannot become a co-person in a joint Hindu family. 11. Islamic law provides for, so it provides for option number 4, controlled polygamy. 12. The rule of nemo dat cod not habet is related to section dash of the Transport of Property Act. This is section 23 of the Transport of Property Act. So this is a very easy maxim. You have to tell me in the comment section what does the maxim actually means. Nemo dat cod non habet. 13. The intention of a mortgage is to deposit title deeds in equitable mortgage is to what? Is to create security, option number 3. 14. A transfer of property occurring due to insolvency, forfeiture or sale in execution of a decree is called it is called as what? It is called as transfer by operation of law, option number 2. 15. A direct transfer of property in favor of an unborn person cannot be done. This sentence is absolutely true, option number 2. 16. Which among the following cannot be transferred as per section 6 of the Transport of Property Act? So all of this cannot be transferred. Option number 1. All interest in property restricted in its enjoyment to the owner personally. 2. A right of future maintenance. 3. A public office. Question number 17. A gift comprising of both existing and future property is, so it is actually void only in respect of future property. Future property you cannot transfer, so this is void. 18. Who among the following cases related to curative petition? A very easy one. Option number 2. Rupa Ashok Hurra versus Ashok Hurra another. 19. Who among the following provisions of the Constitution of India maintains that it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to safeguard public property and to abjure violence? This is 51A clause I. Option number 3. 20. Which of the following is called a revising chamber? So Rajya Sabha is known as revising chamber. Option number 2. 21. Originally Constitution of India had how many articles? So originally, very important one. So originally we had 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. So you have to comment in the comment section below how many articles, parts and schedules are there in the Constitution of India presently. 22. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India said that establishment of the egalitarian social order through rule of law is a basic structure of the Constitution? This is option number 4, Minerva Mills versus Union of India. 23. Which of the following is not true about the preamble of the Constitution of India? The correct option is option number 4, provides powers to courts. 24. The test of pith and substance of the subject matter and of the object of legislation very relevant to the question of infringement of fundamental rights, and true test was the direct effect of the impugned action on a particular fundamental right. It was observed in the case of, so it was observed in the case of option number 3, Bennett Coleman and Company versus Union of India. 25. Party system is not prescribed in the Constitution of India but has become an established system to run the parliamentary democratic system. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India pointed out that for a strong, vibrant democratic government, parliamentary system is necessary, which can be best achieved by party system. So this has been held in the case of A and D only. Ramakant Pandey versus Union of India and D. Kanhaiya Lal Omar versus R.K. Trivedi. 26. Supreme Court is not only a court of law but also a court of equity. This was said in which case law? So this is actually option number 3, Chandra Bansi Singh versus State of Bihar. 27. The doctrine of basic structure till now has not been used by a constitutional court to strike down none of this. This enactment by legislator, constitutional amendment, the executive action. So it has not been used till now in none of the above cases. 28. Who among the following doesn't hold an office of profit during the pleasure of the president? Who is that person? This option or none of this, because all of this person hold the office during the pleasure of the president, judge of the Supreme Court of India, election commissioner of India, and member of the Union Public Service Commission. 29. Which of the following fundamental rights is not enforceable against a non-state entity? The correct option is option number 2, Article 16, Clause 2. 30. The Supreme Court of India held that Article 14 of the Constitution of India embodies a principle of non-arbitrariness for the first time in. So non-arbitrariness for the first time in the case of E.P. Royappa versus State of Tamil Nadu, option number 3. 31. The Supreme Court of India National Legal Services Authority versus Union of India held that transgender persons have the right to identify their gender as either male or female or third gender. Option number 4. 32. How many freedoms have been enumerated in the Liberty Clause of the preamble of the Constitution of India? So there are actually 5 clause in the liberty liberty enumerated in preamble. 33. No person can hold the office of the director in more than 10 public companies at a time. Option number 1. 34. Which 2 types of business structures are created via process of incorporation? This is option number 3, companies and limited liability partnerships. 35. One corporation of a company, the registrar of companies, in addition to the certificate of incorporation, issues a unique identification number, namely what it is called? So it is actually called as corporate identification number, option number 3. 36. Starex Limited is a company, has a paid up equity capital structure in the following proportions. Central government holds 38%, state government holds 10%, subsidiary of a government company holds 17.50%, and remaining shares by retail shareholders. Which of the following classes of companies would it belong to? Then it belongs to government company, option number 1. 37. Contracts made after incorporation of a public company but before issuing the certificate of commencement of business are. So these is actually are provisional contracts, option number 1. 38. Producer company is based on the principles of. So producer company is based on the principle of mutual assistance. This is option number 2. 39. Which among the following remedies is available for a person who acted upon a false prospectus? This option number 4, all of these: damages for fraudulent misrepresentation, compensation for untrue statement, damages for non-compliance with the requirement of section 26 of the Companies Act. 40. Which among the following is regarded as the most important document of a company? So this is actually memorandum of association, option number 4. 41. The responsibility of finder of goods is the, so it is actually same responsibility as a belly, option number 2. 42. An agreement made without consideration is void unless it's a promise to compensate wholly or in part a person who has done something for the promiser or something which the promiser was illegally compellable to do. The correct option is option number 4, already voluntarily. 43. Which of the following doesn't constitute fraud under the Indian Contract Act? So the correct option is option number 3, where a person stands in a fiduciary relationship with the other and induces the other person to act on his directions. So this doesn't constitute fraud. 44. Which of the following agreement is void? So the correct action is option number 4. A, for love and affection, promises to give his neighbor son B rupees 9,000. A puts his promise to B into writing. Question number 45. A owes money to be under a contract. It is agreed between A, B and C that B shall then support except C as his debtor. Instead of A, the agreement is called as, so this agreement is actually called as novation because there is change of circumstances. 46. Which of the following is or exceptions to the doctrine of privity of contract? So all of this. So beneficiaries to marriage, settlement, partition or other family arrangements, then covenants running with land, all of this. Option number 4. 47. A sells by auction to be a horse which A notes to be unsound and A says nothing to be about the horse's unsoundness. So this actually this doesn't amounts to fraud. Option number 2. 48. Where the proposal and acceptance are through letters, the contract is made at. So the contract is made at the place where the letter of acceptance is posted. 49. Agreement restraining legal proceedings is void only if restraint is absolute. Option number 2. 50. Section 72 of the Indian Contract 1872 deals with unjust enrichment on account of both 1 and 2 mistake and coercion. Which of the following amendments were made in the Copyright Act 1957 in the year? So the correct option is option number A, B, C and D. Section 65 protection of technological measures. B. Section 65B of protection of rights management information. C. Section 31B compulsory licensing for benefit of disabled, and Section 31C statutory license for cover versions. Then 52. What is the maximum term for patent in India? This is 20th. Option number 153. In which year did India accede to the NICE agreement concerning the international classification of goods and services for the purposes of the registration of marks? Vienna Agreement establishing an international classification of the figurative elements of marks, and the Locarno Agreement establishing an international classification for industrial design. This is option number 2, 2019. 54. Who was nominated as the Director General of the World Intellectual Property Organization by the Coordination Committee on 24/2020? The case is the person is Mr. Darren Tang. 55. What is the concept of originality under the Designs Act? So this originality in application, option number 2. 56. Which of the following is the oldest decision on issues relating to environment ecological balance? This option number 1, rural litigation and entitled Kendra versus State of UP. 57. Under the Environment Protection Act 1986, which one of the following has power to constitute authorities? This option number 4, central government. Which of the following legal instrument is not related to climate change? This is option number 4, Nagoya Protocol. 59. The public trust doctrine lays down that the state is a trustee of natural resources. So the correct option is all of these. A property subject to trust must be made available to public. 2. The property may not be sold. 3. The property must be maintained for a particular use. Question number 60. Who is considered as the founder of the Upasala school of the modern Scandinavian realist movement? This is option number 3, Axel Hegerström. 61. The Benthamite legislator who wishes to ensure happiness for the community must strive to attain 4 goals. What are these goals? These goals are option number 3, to provide subsistence, to produce abundance, to favor equality, to maintain security. 62. Cultural relativism logically implies tolerance for different cultures. In the context of human rights, cultural relativists are generally supportive of, traditional, regional or indigenous approaches to human rights. Option number 1. 63. Which of the following proposition mentioned below doesn't explain the character of the critical legal studies? This is option number 1, law is just and stable. 64. Which of the following statement explain the feature of natural law? The correct option is option number 2. Law is a product of certain immutable principles intrinsic to human beings. 65. Which of the following element is not present in Austin's definition of ownership? This is option number 2, absolute owner. 66. The Kellogg-Briand Pact of 1928. So the correct option is option number 3, renounced word as an instrument of national policy. 67. Which of the following cases decided by International Court of Justice is related to the right to remedial cessation? The correct option is option number 1, Kosovo case. 68. International law is regarded as a product of colonization because of all of this. European states justify colonization with the help of international law. 2. European states use international law to institutionalize colonization. 3. European states use international institutions to perpetuate colonization. So all of this. Which of the following is false? So the correct option is neither option 1 nor 2. Not both of the options are not false. Hugo Christians wrote his famous book Works to justify Dutch colonial and trade expansion. 2. Berlin Conference 1885 was convened to divide African colonies among European powers amicably. So the correct option is neither option nor 1 nor 2. Which of the following is true? So the correct option is option number 4. General principles of law are also 3. General principles of law are also sources of international law. 71. Which of the following theories is not connected with the relationship between international law and municipal law? The correct option is option number 1. Evidentiary theory. 72. The International Court of Justice may have jurisdiction based on forum propagatum, and such jurisdiction may result from, so it may result from conduct of parties before court or with each other. Option number 1. 73. The rule of extradition, that the requesting state is under duty not to try or punish the offender for any other offence than that for which he was extradited. It is known as rule of speciality. Option number 2. 74. The International Law Commission was established by so it is established General Assembly resolution in 1947. Option number 1. 75. The universality principle is one of the main general principles on which states claim a more or less extensive penal jurisdiction at the present under international law. Under this principle, the jurisdiction is determined by reference to, so by reference to custody of the person who committed the offence. Option number 4. 76. If the defendant has not been able to properly control the animal which he knew or ought to have known to be having a tendency to do harm, he is liable. This forms part of the Sainter rule. Option number 2. 77. A willful and unjustified dealing with the goods in such a manner that another person who is entitled to immediate use and possession of the same is deprived of that is known as, so these known as both option 1 and 2, conversion and as well as trover. 78. Which among the following cases is related to the rule that causing death of a person is not a tort? Correct option is option number 2, Baker versus Bolton. Option number 3. 79. Which of the following cases is not an example of a rescue case that provides an exception to the doctrine of voluntary non-fit injury? This is option number 4. Story versus Ashton. Match list 1 with list 2. Let us match A1, B2, C3, D4. So these are already matched. Wagon mount case is related to a test of reasonable forcibility. Polemist case is test of directness. Smith versus Lichbren and Company, eggshell skull rule, and Smith and Charles Baker Simpson, voluntary non-fit injury. 81. As per judgment in the case of Indian Medical Association versus BP Shanta, which of the following statement is incorrect? The correct option is none of this. Let us read. Service rendered free of charge by a medical practitioner attached to a hospital or nursing home for a medical officer employed in a hospital nursing home where such services are rendered free of charge to everybody would not be services defined in section 2 clause 1 clause O of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Service rendered at a non-government hospital nursing home where charges are required to be paid by the persons availing of such services falling within the purview of the expression services defined in section 2 clause 1 clause of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. And 3. Service rendered by a medical officer to his employer under the contract of employment would be outside the purview of services defined in section 2 clause 1 subclause of the Consumer Protection Act. So none of these are wrong. 82. A willful act done without just cause or excuse is called, so it is actually called malice in law. 83. Which of the following statement is found in connection with the legal principle voluntary non-fit injury? The correct option is knowledge regarding the danger is consent. Option number 1. 84. These measures stand as an exception to, so it stands as an exception to the rule of strict liability. 85. When the negligence of 2 or more persons result in the same damage, there is said to be composite negligence. What is the meaning of expression felonious tort? So it means a wrong which is both a crime as well as a tort. 87. Section 1 clause 2 of the Information Technology Act 2000 states that, so it states, it shall extend to the whole of India, and it applies also to any offence or contravention thereunder committed outside India by any person. So the correct option is option number 4. 88. Public key under the Information Technology Act 2000 means, so it means the key of a key pair used to verify a digital signature are listed in the digital signature certificate. Option number 1. 18. And power to make rules in respect of electronic signature under the Information Technology Act lies with the central government. 90. Under the Information Technology Act 2000, the certifying authority may revoke a digital signature certificate in case of all of this or request by the subscriber on death of the subscriber, upon the dissolution of the firm or winding up of the company where the subscriber is a firm or a company. 91. Which of the following is an inchoate crime? This is criminal attempt. Option number 2. 92. Causing of the death of a child in the mother's womb is not homicide as provided under explanation 3 to section 299. Mens rea can be excluded by, so option number 3 both 1 and 2. Express provisions of law and necessary implication. 94. Which of the following offences under the Indian Penal Code are not punishable with death? The correct option is gang rape on a woman under 16 years of age. Then 95. Which of the following statement is correct about the offence of dacoity under the Indian Penal Code? All of this: attempt to commit dacoity is punishable, assembling for the purpose of dacoity is punishable and preparation for dacoity is punishable. 96. In which of the following judgment did the Supreme Court of India direct all states and union territories to take appropriate steps for inclusion of acid attack victims under the disability list? The correct option is option number 2, Parivartan Kendra versus Union of India. Which of the following sections of the Indian Penal Code 1860 was not amended inserted by the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2018? The correct option is option number 2, section 166B. 98. Which of the following is not a general Newton offence under the Indian Penal Code? The correct option is voyeurism. And 99. Which of the following general exceptions in the Indian Penal Code 1860 relates to the maxim furiosi nulla voluntas est? So the correct option is unsoundness of mind, option number 3. And the last question, in which of the following offences under the Indian Penal Code 1860 the right of private defence is unavailable to the extent of causing death? So the correct option is extortion. So this is the end of the session and I hope you all liked it. So I have gone a little fast, I'm sorry for that. So in case you feel that I am going a little fast, then slow down the video and watch it by yourself. And also again I would request you, if you have liked this session, do not forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and also share this video to the maximum number of people so that all can get benefited for the upcoming exam. So with this note I am signing off. Have a great day.